The art of life is to live in the present moment and to make that moment as perfect as we can by the realization that we are instruments and expressions of God Himself. The present is where we build the future. The present is where we create our good karma. The present is all we need. So let's not squander it. We need not escape it. Let's all stay in the present moment and make it as beautiful as we can. If you have no time for prayer and meditation, you will have plenty of time for sickness and trouble. We often think that diet, sleep, and exercise will save us, and all of those things are great. But if we neglect the most important thing, our mental attitude, we welcome troubles and worries into our lives. The universe operates much like a cafeteria. Unless you claim mentally what you want, you may sit and wait forever. One thing we don't talk about enough is having a clear vision. Before anything else, it's essential to have as clear a vision as possible for what you want in your life. Even if you only have a small idea of what you want, that's okay. Start there and cultivate this image, adding to it over time. If you have no image, start by looking deep within yourself with kindness and extract the good, and the rest will follow. You must not, under any pretense, allow your mind to dwell on any thought that is not positive, constructive, optimistic, and kind. What we focus on tends to grow and multiply. So you must do everything you can to keep your mind occupied only with thoughts and words that are in harmony with what you want in life. Forsake, discourage, and let go of the rest. Note carefully, it is not the thoughts that come to you that matter, but only the ones you choose to dwell upon and entertain. When negative thoughts knock on the door of your mind, don't open it. Let them knock. They will soon leave when they realize you are not paying attention to them.